Hello my friends, I'm Dr. Zhao. Today I'm going to bring you a good news for preventing and treat the cancer. So long time ago, I always thinking about how to help people with cancer. And also my idea is prevent the cancer. So because I treat a lot of cancer patients, especially the breast cancer patient, after their operation and radiotherapy, and then after I give them treatment, and maybe regularly, monthly or few weeks, every few weeks, and then they can keep very well. And the theory is the nerves, because I believe there are some nerves which from our neck down to the breast, I always said is number 3, number 4 nerves. And then I have the evidence and can prove the treatment is very effective. And also I can kindly tell everybody, if we want to prevent the cancer, we have to look after the nerves. Because we have autonomic nerves, which is silently help our body function. And one of the most important nerves is the vagus nerves. Vagus nerves come out from the brain and together with the big vein from the neck, jugular vein from the neck and down to your whole body, also down to our breast. So recently scientists have found the vagus nerves, if the vagus nerve function well, can prevent and treat the cancer. Okay, let's read the news.
The nervous system can contribute to breast cancer progression. The 18th of October 2019. The nervous system can contribute to breast cancer progression. In a study published in Nature Neuroscience, researchers at Okayama University developed a method to stimulate different types of nerves within breast tumors and found that while some nerves abetted tumour growth, some prevented it. Autonomic nerves are messengers that carry signals from the brain to the organs in our body. In recent years, scientists have found several links between the autonomic system and cancer. Autonomic nerves are involved in the progression of prostate cancer. On the other hand, prostate and breast cancer patients can have a lower risk of death when given nerve-blocking drugs. However, the direct relationship between the autonomic system and breast cancer is still unclear. A research team led by Professor Kamiya Atsunori at Okayama University has now examined autonomic nerves found within breast tumors and unraveled their contribution to tumor growth. Our organs are permeated by multiple nerves, hence, isolating and analyzing any one nerve type is tough. Additionally, targeting nerves only within the breast tumor is also difficult. To circumvent these challenges, the research team developed a virus-based tool. This consisted of an innocuous virus with the ability to genetically modify tissues to stimulate or suppress specific nerve types. In this case, the two main autonomic nerves of interest were sympathetic and parasympathetic nerves. Since the virus would have to be injected, it would only bring about these changes within the injected tissues. The tool was first tested on breast tumors implanted into rats. Stimulating the sympathetic nerves in these rats resulted in growth of tumors. The tumors also spread to distant organs such as the lungs. Conversely, stimulation of the parasympathetic nerves resulted in reduced tumor growth. These tumors also showed a lower presence of immune checkpoint inhibitors, which are cancer-promoting proteins. The virus was then injected to inhibit the two nerve types within the tumors. Deactivating the sympathetic nerves suppressed the growth of tumors, while deactivating parasympathetic nerves promoted their growth. The team subsequently scrutinized the distribution of nerves within tumor samples of 29 breast cancer patients. The patients with a high presence of sympathetic nerves were indeed the ones with lower chances of survival, while those with a high abundance of parasympathetic nerves had better chances of survival. The tumor samples with higher parasympathetic presence also had fewer immune checkpoint inhibitors. This study is the first to show how stimulation of different nerves within breast tumors can determine the fate of the cancer. Genetic sympathetic nerve denervation and parasympathetic neurostimulation of tumors may suppress breast cancer progression, and are therefore a potential novel therapeutic approach for breast cancer, concluded the researchers.
Here is an article on the eCancer magazine. This research tells us if you want to keep from the cancer, we have to look after the vagus nerves or parasympathetic nerves, because these nerves can help prevent and depress the cancer cells. Otherwise, if the sympathetic nerves overactive or uncontrolled, then we easily to develop and spread the cancer. Regularly good neck tuna massage makes the neck soft and flexible. And good neck exercise can help the vagus nerves free and prevent breast and other cancer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share with your friends. Your kindness can help more people.